Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a beauty industry essential, the Master Massage 30-inch Balboa Pro portable massage table package. Whether you're a professional massage therapist, a lash artist, or anyone in need of a versatile, comfortable, and durable portable beauty bed, this product might just be on your radar. Let's break down the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The Master Massage Balboa Pro is designed with professionals in mind, boasting a combination of thoughtful features and premium materials. This portable massage table is ideal for a variety of uses, from massage therapy to beauty treatments, thanks to its versatile design. Let's look at the core aspects that make it stand out. In terms of dimensions, this table offers a generous 30-inch width and a length of 84 inches, with an adjustable height range from 23 inches to 33 inches. This means you can customize the height to suit your comfort, making it adaptable for both practitioners and clients. The table also includes a 2.5-inch thick cushion made from multi-layer small cell foam. The denser foam provides more support than your typical foam padding, ensuring a high level of comfort for clients during longer sessions. The soft feel combined with ample cushioning helps minimize discomfort and gives a professional, luxurious touch to your service. The table's frame is constructed from European Beech Wood, which is known for its durability and strength. Paired with high-quality PU upholstery, it not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also ensures longevity and easy maintenance. The wood is reinforced with 1,000-pound aircraft-grade steel support cables, giving it an impressive working capacity of 750 pounds. This is definitely built to last, even under heavy use. One of the standout features is the shiatsu cable release. This innovation allows you to quickly convert the table into a tatami-style surface, making it suitable for various beauty and therapeutic treatments. This added versatility can be a game-changer for professionals offering a range of services, from massage therapy to facial treatments. Additionally, the Balboa Pro comes with a complete accessories package, including an ergonomic dream face cradle, a memory face pillow, and a single pocket carrying case. These accessories further elevate the overall experience for both the client and the practitioner, making the setup more convenient and user-friendly. In my experience, setting up the table was simple and straightforward. The adjustability of the height was a huge plus, allowing me to quickly find the most comfortable position for both myself and my clients. The foam cushion provided the right balance between comfort and support, and the overall sturdiness of the table made me feel confident during use. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros. The adjustable height is a game changer for comfort and convenience. The 2.5-inch foam cushion offers superior comfort compared to most portable tables. Solid construction using high-quality beech wood and aircraft-grade steel makes this table feel secure and durable. The shiatsu cable release feature adds versatility, allowing the table to be used for various treatments. The accessories package is comprehensive, ensuring a complete setup right out of the box. Cons. The table is on the heavier side compared to some other portable options, which might make it less ideal for on-the-go therapists. While the PU upholstery is easy to clean, it can be prone to wear over time if not properly maintained. It's priced higher than some basic models, which might be a consideration for those on a tighter budget. When it comes to value for money, I'd say that this table is definitely worth the investment for professionals who prioritize comfort, durability, and versatility in their equipment. The high-quality materials, the ease of use, and the added features, such as the shiatsu cable release and ergonomic accessories, justify the price. For those just starting out or working on a tight budget, there are cheaper alternatives out there, but they may not offer the same level of quality and longevity. As for build quality, the use of European beech wood paired with the steel support cables shows that this is designed to handle a lot of weight and wear. The longevity of this table, given its solid construction and durable materials, is impressive. It's clear that Master Massage has put a lot of thought into ensuring this product can withstand daily use in professional settings. In terms of customer support, Master Massage is known for providing good service to its customers. If you run into any issues with the product, they're responsive and willing to assist with troubleshooting or returns. This can provide peace of mind when purchasing such a significant investment. While this particular model hasn't received any updates recently, it's always worth keeping an eye on newer models or updates from the brand that might introduce even more features or refinements. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few other high-quality portable massage tables out there. The Earthlight Harmony DX and the Strong Light Portable Massage Table come to mind. Both offer solid construction and comfort at slightly different price points, so depending on your needs, one of these could be a suitable alternative. To wrap it up, the Master Massage 30-inch Balboa Pro Portable Massage Table Package is a top-tier option for professionals looking for comfort, durability, and versatility in their equipment. It excels in providing a high level of support and customization, though its weight and price might not suit everyone. If you're a serious practitioner, this is a solid investment for your business. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this table or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. Let us know your experience or if you have any questions. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.